Let's take a look at the test feature in Wise, which provides a truly comprehensive set of tools for creating and managing tests or quizzes. You can create, publish, and share your tests in two formats. The first option is typed tests, which work similarly to Google Forms but with many more advanced features. We'll cover this in a separate video. The second option is upload test, a quick and easy way to digitize your existing tests in PDF or Word document format. Simply upload your question paper in PDF or image format, and Wise will guide you through the setup. Next, enter the total number of questions in the test. The platform automatically generates a multiple-choice answer sheet by default, though it supports various other question formats as well. After that, you can mark the correct answers for each question. When students attempt the test, they'll see a blank answer sheet where they can fill in their responses. On the next page, you can set essential details such as the test name, description, and duration. If you schedule the test, students can only attempt it within the specified time window. You can also remove this restriction to allow students to attempt the test as per their convenience. Next, set up the marking scheme, which will be used to generate test results automatically. And that's it. Your test is now ready to be shared with students. You can access detailed analytics for each test on the platform. Digitize your tests with Wise, help students excel, and grow as a top tutor.